Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have been testing the brand new Lenovo Legion Pro 7i gaming laptop thoroughly, and with Prime Day finally here, this is the absolute perfect window to break down exactly how this heavy-hitting machine performs in the real world. If you are an esports competitor, a high-end content creator, or a power user who demands an uncompromising hardware configuration, you will want to listen closely to how this machine handles extreme workloads. Let us jump directly into the core processing hardware because Lenovo has packed some truly bleeding-edge specifications into this black aluminum chassis. Powering the system is the top-tier Intel Core Ultra 9275HX processor. This processor utilizes a highly sophisticated multi-core architecture designed to deliver desktop-class processing power inside a laptop frame, while leveraging dedicated silicon for localized artificial intelligence acceleration. Lenovo has paired this massive processing unit with the powerhouse NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 graphics card, boasting 16 GB of next-generation GDDR7 video memory. To fully back up that raw processing foundation, the machine comes loaded with 32 GB of ultra-high bandwidth DDR5 RAM. When it comes to pure performance, this combination is an absolute monster. I threw some of the most graphically demanding modern titles at it at native resolutions. Thanks to the massive bandwidth of the GDDR7 memory and the advanced architectural improvements of the graphics card, frame rates were incredibly high and completely stable. The system effortlessly leverages neural rendering technologies like deep learning supersampling and advanced frame generation to maximize your frame rates without sacrificing visual clarity. Even with ray tracing turned up to its maximum settings, lighting, shadows, and reflections render with spectacular realism. For workstation tasks, having 32 GB of fast system memory means you can seamlessly jump between massive three-dimensional rendering projects, complex video editing timelines, and data-heavy applications without encountering a single hitch or system slowdown. Of course, incredible hardware needs an exceptional display to actually show off its capabilities, and the 16-inch display on this Legion Pro 7i is one of the single best panels I have ever laid eyes on. Lenovo has transitioned this lineup to a breathtaking WQXGA OLED panel with a staggering 240 Hz refresh rate. The jump to an OLED panel changes everything. Because OLED pixels emit their own light, you get an infinite contrast ratio with deep, perfect blacks and incredible visual pop. Colors are incredibly vibrant and accurate, meeting professional standards with complete coverage of the professional color spectrum, making it an elite choice for color grading video or precision design work. When you pair that beautiful visual quality with a native 240 Hz refresh rate and sub-millisecond response times, fast-paced competitive gaming feels completely instantaneous, giving you fluid motion without any ghosting or blur. To prevent these desktop-tier internal components from thermal throttling under heavy load, the laptop utilizes Lenovo's advanced Coldfront cooling technology. This setup features dual high airflow fans combined with a massive vapor chamber system to pull heat efficiently away from the central processing unit and graphics card. You can switch performance profiles instantly using simple key commands to alternate between quiet, balanced, and extreme modes. During multi-hour gaming marathons, the thermal management did a spectacular job of keeping core temperatures well within safe limits, and the physical keyboard surface remained comfortably cool under pressure. The fans do get loud when you run the machine in its maximum performance profile, but the noise profile is a deep, steady rush of air that is easy to tune out, and the system runs remarkably quiet during standard web browsing or productivity tasks. For storage, the laptop offers a massive total capacity of 2 TB. This is cleverly split between a lightning-fast 1 TB internal PCIe solid-state drive and an included premium 7-in-1 docking station that features an additional built-in 1 TB of storage. The internal drive delivers extreme read and write speeds, allowing the pre-installed Windows 11 Pro operating system to boot instantly and cutting game loading screens down to mere seconds. The included bonus docking station is a fantastic addition for a clean desktop setup, expanding your peripheral capabilities significantly by adding multiple extra ports alongside a 32 GB microSD card with an adapter, a Type-C data cable, a 3-in-1 charging cable, and a suede cleaning cloth. The physical build quality is exceptionally solid, featuring an all-aluminum construction that feels durable, premium, and highly resistant to flexing. It weighs in at 5.67 pounds, which is very reasonable for a full-scale desktop replacement machine. The physical port layout is incredibly comprehensive, offering 3 standard USB-A ports, 2 versatile USB-C ports with Thunderbolt support, an HDMI output for external displays, an Ethernet jack for low-latency wired networking, and a headphone mic combo jack. Wireless connectivity is fully future-proofed with built-in Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth support. Furthermore, the keyboard is an absolute dream to use, Featuring Lenovo's legendary typing comfort, a full numeric keypad, and fully customizable per-key RGB backlighting that lets you personalize your visual setup completely. If you are looking to secure the absolute ultimate desktop replacement laptop this Prime Day, the Lenovo Legion Pro 7i delivers a perfect combination of extreme processing power, unmatched OLED visuals, and elite cooling efficiency that makes it worth every single penny.